Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kene Digital. We are here to improve your digital literacy. So today I'll be showing you how to use Google keyboard, for short Gboard. Now Gboard is a keyboard that enables you to communicate and understand your friends regardless of the language barrier. So you can communicate with anybody that you have in your social media platform regardless of the language barrier. So it's a cool feature. So let us dive into it and so you could understand exactly what I'm saying. Now, first of all, for you to maximize this functionality, you have to first of all install Gboard. If you don't have Gboard, you have to install it. You go to Play Store, click Play Store, and search for Gboard. As you can see, it's already pre-installed in my phone. Now, having installed it in your phone, the next thing you have to do is to go to your setting. When you go to your setting, okay, when you go to your setting, then go down to system, click on system, then come down to languages and input. Then you observe that my default keyboard is already Gboard multilingual typing. So one of the functions it does is it provides you multilingual typing. Isn't it amazing? It's amazing. So let me show you how it works. It's super amazing. Now let's say in the social media, I'm already in one, and let's say this a Frenchman and an English person, okay, and basically he speaks French and I speak English. The only way I can communicate with him as a friend on WhatsApp is for me to speak or no, to communicate in French language, isn't it? So in order to do this, since I already have Gboard installed in my phone, I'll just click on this icon. This icon, as you can see, okay. So this double icon, this 3 1 2 3 icon. Click on it for mine. As you can see, I have translate. I click on translate. Now I have English to French. You could change it to any language you want. So I choose French, from English to French. Okay, let me type English. How are you doing? How are you doing? Wow, as you can see, what I will send to the person is comment allez-vous. That is the French version. How are you doing? Comment allez-vous. I send it to the person. That is how it's work. Okay, let me ask the person, how is your school? How is your school? Now, comment est votre école? That is the French version. So that is how it works. Can change it. Let's say the person sends you this comment allez-vous and you don't really understand what he's saying. All you just need to do is to copy the text. Okay, you copy the text, then come down here, paste it. When you paste it, change this from French to English. You see, you have been able to interpret what he sent to you, and then you can easily, since you already know what he's saying, by reversing the option French to English, then you can reply the person anyhow you want. Okay, that is one way to use it to communicate. So basically you can communicate with anybody regardless of the language barrier. You just change it to any language that you want to, you feel comfortable with. Okay, let me say I want to speak Hebrew. Though I don't know, let me say I'm communicating with a Hebrew client. So I'll say, how are you? How are you? As you can see, I don't even understand this, but how are you? But I've been able to, translate my word to Hebrew, so I can easily communicate with the person. So that is how it is. And lastly, another thing I want you to know, to do. Let me get it back to French. Let's say you want to speak to the person. You just click on this microphone icon. Hello, hello, wow. Okay, I said something, but it's here to record it. So when you click on this icon, it's still initializing. that if you observe carefully, you find out that I can speak instead of typing, literally typing. I can just on that mic and then say what I want to say, and to just write it down, and off I go. I send it to the person. Okay, that is another way you could make your communicating. Enjoy yourself. Okay, so feel free to explore the app, and please subscribe to my channel Kene Digital. We are here to improve your digital literacy, and thank you very much. Your success really matters. Thank you.